in New Jersey, Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Western Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland and Northern Westchester, and the following areas in Connecticut: Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 a.m. Thursday. Locations: interior portions of the lower Hudson Valley, southern Connecticut, and most of northeast New Jersey. Hazards: damaging winds. Winds north 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: Wednesday and Wednesday night. Impacts: winds of this magnitude will be capable of reducing some downed trees and power lines. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles.